So let us start with the explanation. The first stanza: life believe is not a dream, so dark as sage say. Often a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Now here the poetess, she tells us to take a positive view of life. She says that life is not a dark dream. Life is not a dark dream. As the sages say, as the sages say that life believes is not a dream. So dark as sages say. So she is telling that life is not a dark dream, as sages say. Instead, a little rain in the morning, often a little morning rain. She says that a little rain in the morning tells us that a pleasant day will follow. The rain tells us that the pleasant day will also follow. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transcend all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh why lament it fall. Now here what she is telling us: sometimes there are clouds of gloom. Now sometimes there are clouds of gloom means some problems, okay, but these are transient all. Transit means temporary, okay, temporary. Transits means temporary. These problems or difficulties are what? They are temporary. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh why lament its fall. Now if a little rain helps the roses to bloom, if the little rain helps the roses to bloom, why should we feel unhappy about it? Why should we feel unhappy or afraid about that problems? If the problem we face make for better times ahead, why should we feel grief? Okay. Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. Gratefully, cheerfully, enjoy them as they fly. Now, when this difficult time comes, we know if there is sadness one day, if there are problems, it may be for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 1 month, 1 year, but afterwards the happy hours are going to come. So what the poetess is telling: rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. Gratefully, cheerfully, enjoy them as they fly. She is telling that happy hours of our life fly by very quickly. Okay, it fly by very quickly and merrily. We must enjoy them happily and thankfully as they go by. What though death at times steps in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win over hope a heavy sway? Now, sway means controlling influence. Okay. Now here in fourth stanza, what the poetess is telling to us, she is telling we must accept it if at time that takes away the people we love the most. Here poet is telling we must accept it if at times that takes away the people we love most. It also does not matter if sorrow seems to be winning over hope. It doesn't matter if sorrow is what? Winning over our hope. Yet hope against elastic springs, unconquered though she fell, still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. Now, buoyant means that which can rise upward. Lament means express grief or regret. Now, here in second last stanza, what she is telling, the poetess is telling, for hope will spring up, for hope will spring up with great elasticity. Okay, it is undefeated, unconquered, it is undefeated even though it had been overcome. It is undefeated, it is means what, the sorrow time is undefeated even though it had been overcome. The golden wings of hope are still strong. What she is telling, that the golden wings of hope are still strong to bear us and help us to rise, to bear us and to help us to rise. Okay, manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear, for glorious, victorious can courage quell despair. Now, in last stanza, what she is telling, we must bear our days of difficulties bravely and fearlessly. Manfully means bravely and fearlessly. For the courage to face our problems can succeed wonderfully in helping us to suppress our despair. Quell means end or suppress. Okay, so what she is telling in last stanza, she is telling we must bear our days of difficulties bravely and fearlessly, for the courage to face our problems can succeed wonderfully in helping us to suppress our despair. Okay, so here this poem life is beautifully expressed by Brunet, that if we have difficult situation also, we have to what, we have to keep a hope and we have to overcome it. Okay, so I hope you have understood this poem. Now you have to write this poem and the meanings which are given over here. Sway, transmit, this 3 to 5. 5, first you have to write the poem, then you have to write the meanings, then you have to write the page wise question in your English notebook, and remaining work what you have to do, that I'll tell you or I'll send you the photo. Thank you, have a nice day.